We want to solve x prime plus 3x equals sine t. Initial condition at t equals 0 is given that x of 0 equals 0. We shall use Laplace transform to solve this differential equation. We know that Laplace of x prime of t is s into x of s minus x of 0. There is only first order derivative, so we use only this relation over here. We also know that Laplace of sine of 1 into t is equal to 1 square over 1 square plus s square, which is 1 over 1 plus s square. Similarly, Laplace of x of t is just capital X of x of s. So time domain has been changed into frequency domain. Taking Laplace on both sides of given equation, this one, Laplace of x prime plus 3x equal Laplace of sine of t. Laplace of x prime is s of s minus x of 0 plus 3, and Laplace of x of t is just x of s. Laplace of sine of t, as we have seen, is 1 over 1 plus s square. So sxs minus value of x of 0 in given condition is 0 plus 3x of x equal 1 over 1 plus s square. So taking x of x as common, s plus 3 rs x of s equals 1 over 1 plus s square into x s plus 3. We shall use partial distribution formula. We shall use partial. We suppose 1 over x square plus 1 into s plus 3 equal as plus b over s square plus 1 plus c over s plus 3. We are using here partial fraction formalism. The same equation can be written as 1 equal multiplying both sides. We get terms s square s and s to the power 0. So let in this equation we set s plus 3 equals 0 in this equation. So a into minus 3 plus b into 0 c into minus 3 square plus 1 0 plus c into 10. This implies c equal 1 over 10. Now simplifying the same equation, separating terms containing s square s and s to the power 0. Now s terms 3a plus b. Now constant terms 3b plus c. This whole relation equals 1. So left hand side s square and s are 0 on left hand side. So a plus c is 0. This implies a equal minus 1 by 10. Comparing s terms on both sides, this implies b equal minus 3a. This sum is equal 0 from left hand side equals, we know value of a, so b is 3 over 10. Putting value of a, b and c in the relation, we get, putting value of a, b and c in this relation, we get minus s by 10 plus s 3 by 10 over s square plus 1 plus 1 over 10 over s plus 3. So we have come up with this relation, and this whole is equal to x of x is equal to this much. So taking inverse Laplace transform of these, minus 1 by 10 Laplace inverse of s over x s square plus 1 plus 3 by 10 inverse Laplace of 1 over s square plus 1 plus 1 by 10 inverse Laplace of 1 by s plus 3. So inverse Laplace of x of s is x of t minus 1 by 10. This is Laplacian of cos of t. This is Laplace transform of sine of t, as we have seen in previous videos. And this is Laplace transform of e to the 3t. This is required answer.